हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 9 ज्योग्राफी सब्जेक्ट के चैप्टर नंबर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गिव रीजन व्हाई फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस आर राइट और रॉन्ग। द मेन एम ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशनल मैप्स इज टू शो लोकेशन। दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. The main aim of distributional maps is not to show location but to show the distribution of various elements in a particular region. For example, distribution of temperature, rainfall, population, etc. Next question. In choropleth maps, only one value is assigned to the sub-administrative units. This statement is right. In choropleth maps, the data regarding various geographical variables are shown by shading or tints of various colors. After gathering the data for a selected variable, 5 to 7 classes are made considering smallest and largest values. Each class is assigned with a tint of same colors or black and white patterns. The value is shown by pre-decided tint of color can represent only one region or a group of region. Thus, in choropleth maps, only one value is assigned to the sub-administrative unit. Next question. In choropleth maps, colors tints do not change according to the values of the variables. This statement is wrong. In choropleth maps, the smallest and the largest values of the given data of the variable in a region are taken into consideration. After that, 5-7 classes are made. Each class interval has different value and accordingly it is assigned a unique tint of same color or a black and white patterns. Thus in choropleth maps, color tints changes according to the values of the variables. Next question. Choropleth maps are used to show altitudes. This statement is wrong. Isopleth maps and not choropleth maps are used to show the altitude. When the distribution of a variable is continuous like the altitude, then isopleth method is used. Isopleth maps are line joining locations having equal walls and hence it is easy to show the change of altitude in a particular region. If the distribution of a variable is discontinuous, then the choropleth method is used to show the distribution of various variables, example the distribution of population and domestic animal, etc. Next question. Isopleth maps are used to show population distribution. This is a wrong statement. Dot method maps or choropleth method map are used to show the population distribution. Distribution of population is discontinuous. Isopleth maps are used to show the distribution of variables which are continuous. Thus, isopleth maps are not used to show the distribution of population of a region. Next question. In dot method, every dot should have an appropriate scale. This is a right statement. The size of the dot is decided as per the value of variable that is freely scattered across the map. The distributional map based on statistical data are made by dot method. Dot method maps are used to show the distribution of variables like population cattle. Thus the size of the dots changes as per the value of the variable which is freely scattered on a map. Next question. Isopleth maps are not made using isolines. This is wrong statement. Isopleth maps are made by using isolines. Isolines are lines joining location of the same value of a given variable in a map. Isopleth maps are also made by using these lines. Hence we can say that they are made by using isolines. Next, distribution of various geographical elements can be shown using dot method. This is wrong statement. The distribution of various geographical elements cannot be shown by using dot method map. Distribution of geographical elements which are freely scattered over a map can be shown By using dot method map, distribution of various variables like population cattle can be shown on a dot method map. Distribution of variables like temperature, rainfall, altitudes are continuous and hence cannot be shown by using dot method map. Second question, answer in brief. Explain the use and types of distributional map. Answer है distributional maps are necessary for explaining the patterns of the distribution of particular geographical and variables. The types of distributional map are dot method map. The distributional maps are based on statistical data. Maps made by this method make use of dots on a pre-decided size are used to show the distribution of particular variable. Example, dot method map is used to show the distribution of population and distribution of cattle. Next method, choropleth method map. The distribution maps made by this method make use of shades or tints of various colors to show the distribution of a particular variable. Example, the choropleth method map is used to show the population density, types of forest covers and uses of land. Next method, isopleth method map. The distributional maps made by this method make use of lines joining location or places of same or equal value to show the distribution of a particular variable. Example, the isopleth method map is used to show the distribution of temperature, rainfall, altitudes. Next question, differentiate between choropleth and isopleth method. Choropleth method. Choropleth method maps are used to show population, density, types of forest cover and uses of land. Isopleth method. Isopleth method maps used to show the distribution of altitudes, temperature, rainfall, etc. Second point, choropleth method maps are used to show the distribution of variables which are discontinuous. Isopleth method map are used to show the distribution of variables which are continuous. Third point, distributional maps made by this method make use of shades or tints of various colors to show the distribution of a particular variable. The distributional maps made by this method make use of lines joining location or places of same or equal values to show the distribution of a particular variable. Third question, explain with reason the method which is best suited to show the distribution of population in a region. Answer है dot method of making distributional maps is best suited for the distribution of population in a region. Dots used in this method are given a particular value which is determined by selecting a proper scale considering the spread of the value of the variable in the given region. This method is best suited for the distribution of variables which are freely scattered as in case of population distribution. Third question, which method will you use for the following? Taluka wise wheat production in the district, dot method is used. Next, distribution of the altitude of the land in the district, isopleth method is used. Next, distribution of domestic animals in the state, dot method is used. Next, distribution of population density in India, choropleth method is used. Next, temperature distribution in Maharashtra state, isopleth method is used. Fourth question, study the population distribution map of Kolhapur district and answer the following question. First है, which method has been used to show the distribution of population in the district? Answer है, dot method has been used to show the distribution of population in the district. Next, explain the direction-wise distribution of population from dense to sparse. Answer है, distribution of population is dense in the eastern part of the district, whereas western part of the district has low density population. Next, what is the population shown by the largest circle? Which place is that? The population shown by the largest circle is nearly 20 lakhs. That place is Kolhapur city, Karbir taluka. Next, which taluka has the least population? गगनबावड़ा तालुका हैज द लिस्ट पॉपुलेशन। स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हमारे लेसन 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।